Ordering fast food. Let's get started.
Give me ketchup.
Better way to say it. Can I have some ketchup, please? Can I have some ketchup, please?
No pickles.
How about? Please leave out the pickles. Please leave out the pickles.
I want a large fries.
Can I get the biggest size of fries? Can I get the biggest size of fries?
I want nuggets.
Can I get a 6-piece chicken nuggets? Can I get a 6-piece chicken nuggets?
I'll take a side.
What sides do you have? What sides do you have?
I'll take a combo.
How about? Which items are included in the combo? Which items are included in the combo?
I want a burger.
Better way to say it. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
I'll take a wrap.
Do you have a veggie wrap? Do you have a veggie wrap?
I want a sandwich.
Can I get a turkey sandwich with no mayo? Can I get a turkey sandwich with no mayo?
I'll take a burger with no sauce.
Can you leave out the mayo and ketchup for the burger? Can you leave out the mayo and ketchup for the burger?
I want a pizza.
How about? Do you have pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza? Do you have pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza?
I want onion rings.
Better way to say it. Can I get a small order of onion rings? Can I get a small order of onion rings?
I'll take a muffin.
Do you have blueberry muffins or chocolate muffins? Do you have blueberry muffins or chocolate muffins?
I'll take a hot dog.
Can I get a hot dog with mustard? Can I get a hot dog with mustard?
I want a meal deal.
Better to say it. Does the meal deal come with a side dish and a drink? Does the meal deal come with a side dish and a drink?
I'll take a donut.
How about? Do you have glazed donuts or chocolate donuts? Do you have glazed donuts or chocolate donuts?
No ice.
Can I have my soda without ice? Can I have my soda without ice?
I'll take a regular size.
I'd like a medium size, please. I'd like a medium size, please.
I want a drink.
What drinks do you have? What drinks do you have?
I want a milkshake.
Do you have chocolate or vanilla milkshakes? Do you have chocolate or vanilla milkshakes?
I'll take a smoothie.
How about? Do you have strawberry smoothies or banana smoothies? Do you have strawberry smoothies or banana smoothies?
I'll take a drink.
Do you have iced tea or lemonade? Do you have iced tea or lemonade?
Can I grab another tomato dressing?
Better to say it. Can I have an extra packet of ketchup, please? Can I have an extra packet of ketchup, please?
Will this require surplus payment?
How about? Does that cost anything extra? Does that cost anything extra?
I'll take a combo.
Which items are included in the combo meal? Which items are included in the combo meal?
I'd like a salad, but could the sauce be served separately?
How about? I'd like a green salad, but could I get the dressing on the side? I'd like a green salad, but could I get the dressing on the side?
Do I need to pay more for flavor additions of a pizza?
Better to say it. How much are extra toppings for a large pizza? How much are extra toppings for a large pizza?
What flavor are present on the California pizza?
What comes on the California pizza? What comes on the California pizza?
I want an oversized buffalo chicken combo meal.
How about? Can I supersize the buffalo chicken combo meal? Can I supersize the buffalo chicken combo meal?
I ordered a chicken burger. Can I exchange an ingredient?
Can I swap one ingredient for another in my chicken burger? Can I swap one ingredient for another in my chicken burger?
This coffee lacks its original essence. Can you change another one?
Better to say it. This coffee tastes a bit stale. Would it be possible to get a fresh one? This coffee tastes a bit stale. Would it be possible to get a fresh one?
I want a beef burger with no onions.
Could I have a beef burger without onions? Could I have a beef burger without onions?
I'd like a matcha latte with honey in replacement of sugar.
I'd like a matcha latte with honey instead of sugar. I'd like a matcha latte with honey instead of sugar.
I'll take a burger with everything.
Better to ask. Does everything include pickles and onions? Does everything include pickles and onions?